Come test drive the 2014 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, remote engine start, fog lights, braking assist, voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, heated steering wheel. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.